Hi everyone, welcome to the 1 Week to Your Health channel. My name is Alka Chopra and I'm a registered dietitian and a certified diabetes educator. In case you're wondering what is the meaning of 1 week to your health, in simple terms it really means that you choose a change or something that you want to change in a habit of yours, put that into place in 1 week and see and feel the results. If you feel good about yourself, run with the change or run with the habit. If not, move on to another habit and repeat the same process. The other thing is that self-care. That is the other component that you will find on my channel. I do find a lot of patients and a lot of people whom I see in my practice do not take good care of themselves. They do not take self-care really. So hence this whole idea of having self-care within 1 week to your health, it all comes together. So you will find videos on cooking, some recipes, some simple recipes that I try myself, something that you can cook within 30 minutes. If it doesn't cook within 30 minutes, I'm not doing it. So if I'm not doing it, definitely I cannot expect you to do it. There will also be videos on crafting, on let's say beading, jewelry making, or just painting. So anything that really takes your mind off of your regular work, something that you do for a living, and that really helps to have a really good balance of your life, and you also get some me time. So that's what this whole channel is about. Taking care of yourself, putting some changes into practice within 1 week, and there you have it. So go ahead, deep dive into the channel, watch the videos, and do put in some comments wherever you feel that you need to know more or you need some more information, and maybe the others can also jump in and help you out as well, and I will respond to your comment as well. If there are any videos or any topic that you would like me to cover, definitely let me know and I will try my very best to do so. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Bye for now.